What's happening, YouTube? What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be talking about Shopify and setting up a successful Shopify store, a successful Shopify business. In today's video, we're going to be showing you, I think it's 12 or 13 examples of high converting, successful Shopify stores. And these stores were all built using the Konversion Shopify theme. Now, if you're looking to launch a Shopify store, you've tried putting together your store yourself, and you're not really happy with the end product. Maybe you've thrown it up on Reddit's Review My Shopify, and people have torn it to pieces. Check out the Konversion Shopify theme. The Konversion Shopify theme is a theme specifically built for dropshippers. They have things, you're allowed to create different shipping policies for individual products. You can have different FAQs for individual products. In addition to that, they have countdown timers. You can run deals of the day. There are a lot of apps and tools and widgets already built into this theme, which are going to help instill a sense of urgency in your buyers and convert people to sales. Tons of stuff you can do with these themes, and best of all, it separates you from everyone else using the Brooklyn theme, right? Everyone's using the same Shopify themes. Everyone's stores look exactly the same. Here's one way to set yourself apart. Now, you can get just the Shopify theme itself, the Konversion Shopify theme. Again, we can see here 15% off. It highlights the products, clear buy buttons, great navigation, easy to find. This is $197. If you guys want to check out the Konversion Shopify theme, I will put a link in the description box below for that. And if you use the promo code 20-baby, again, that's 20-baby, you'll get $20 off at checkout. This theme is super easy to do. Like I said, it has all the widgets and everything built in, ready for you to go. But if you still need more help, rather than buying the theme, you can actually hire the people behind Konversion to build a successful dropshipping store for you. They set up the Oberlo. They do the theme installation. They import your products for you. They build key pages like About Us pages and shipping policies, FAQ pages, contact details. They'll set up a blog for you. They'll create all your social links, set up your menus and headers. And one of the cool things about the Konversion theme is you can do a lot more in-depth menus. You can have up to 6 different drop-down menus. They'll set up a homepage slider for you, trust badges around your payments, product reviews, and they even have a help center for you and your customers. And this is only $349 for them to build a new store from scratch. If you want them to pick up where you left off and pick up your old store and work on your existing theme, it's just $50 more, $399. And let's take a look at some of these websites built with the Konversion theme. So here we have a bidet store. You can see here they have a live chat feature set up. Normally we'll have a coupon pop up. Let's see if we refresh the page. Let's potty talk. But yeah, they got that set up. If let's go look at a product. Let's check out our favorites. So again, they're highlighting the sales, right? 75% off. And we have kind of a product gallery here. If we go down here, you can see we can have a description as well as reviews featured. That's kind of a nice site there. This one is bidetgenius.com. We'll close out of that one. Here we have a wedding site. This one's kind of cool. They have the banner running across the top, another feature that comes with the Konversion. We have social proof down here, right? So-and-so from the UK just made a purchase. They have a banner. You can advertise sales. They have a built-in currency converter, which is great for dropshippers or people outside of the USA. They're using it to encourage Facebook shares and Facebook likes. They give you a whole bunch of icons, so if you want to, highlight free UK delivery, return policies, customer satisfaction, safe checkout, you can do all that as well. You can feature blog posts as well as shop collections. A lot of different stuff you can do there. Let's look at one of the dresses, see what some of their pages are set up like. So again, we're highlighting the sale, 40% off, 43% off. Here, again, much more detailed product pages. We have a description, we have a sizing chart. We talk about the shipping policy, the return policy. You can contact them right from within the product. And I really like this, right? They actually offer you a number of different variations. We also have the guaranteed safe checkout buttons. This one is dreamweddingsecrets.uk if you guys want to check out that site for yourself. This one is publicelementshop.com. This, I believe, is kind of a gadget shop. If we look at some of their phone chargers, this theme lets you run the Just Pay shipping promotions. Again, they got the safe checkout, and you can also do custom discounts, right? If you buy 2 or more, you get 10% off. You buy 10 or more, you get 25% off. You can't do this with a regular Shopify theme. We got the description, the FAQ, risk-free guarantee, and why the shipping time or the ability to add shipping time for individual products is kind of neat. If some of you guys are drop shipping, maybe one of your AliExpress suppliers normally delivers items in 2 weeks, but another one normally takes a month. Each product can have a different checkout time. So this is kind of a cool store. They also have the Facebook Messenger live chat set up. And I just dropped a coupon as we were leaving. You can do exit pop-ups. This is an AliExpress jewelry drop shipping store. I've seen this Jesus cross on there before. Again, decent looking theme, menu, that header banner. They got the currency converter. They got their social icons up on the notification bar. Let's go look at a product. If we look at these chains, so we got more variations, right? We got some of those custom icons, custom stamps, same-day shipping, lifetime guaranteed, safe checkout, guaranteed safe checkout. And here we're using beaconing to kind of create a sense of urgency, right? There's a countdown for when the sale ends, and we also list how many items we have left. And here we're encouraging social shares of this particular product. This one is icyclout.com if you guys want to check that out. This is a prepper store. It's prepperunion.com. I really like this header slider that they have there. Again, utilizing the icons. We got best sellers. We got kind of a featured product. Let's look at one of the individual products and kind of see what we got going on here. So we got variations. We got the color swatches there. Again, the icons, guaranteed safe checkout, and individual shipping policies for specific items. This one is prepperunion.com. This one, I'm not really crazy about this theme, although I do kind of like what they're doing with highlighting a specific deal of the day. As you can see here, we're really pushing the sales. I mean, could you add one of these 19% offs in Canva? But yeah, you'd have to go through and do it for every product. What's nice about this theme, it does it for you. Let's go look at one of these pairs of shoes. We got the variations going on there. It's a good looking product page there. We'll X out of there. This next website is a website that sells craft beer brewing supplies. This is waragainstwarm.com, and the company is Crafter. They sell craft beer supplies. Again, they got the help tab down here. Some social proof customer reviews right there. Some featured products, deals of the week, with the coupons or the percentage off. And I really like this. They let you feature, with this theme, you can feature YouTube videos on your homepage, which is kind of unique. You can also do blog posts. So somebody who's thinking about buying some craft beer supplies, maybe they're just looking at getting into brewing beer, and here's a step-by-step guide to getting started in home brewing. So that's kind of helpful. Got the email sign up and some more custom icons there. We'll go look at one specific product here. So again, we got the icons, McAfee Secure. We got customized tags, SKUs, specs, features, returns, shipping. Again, much more detailed product pages. Again, this one is waragainstwarm.com. That one didn't load for me. This is jabrickhank.com, JABRICHANK.com. This is, again, is kind of an AliExpress gadget store, highlighting the coupons, McAfee secured website. They have a reward program set up through here. Reviews, if you wanted to leave a review right there. Let's look at one of their products. Looks like they're drop shipping Xboxes. Again, we got the icons. And a detailed product page with product photos within the product description, which is kind of cool. They also got the reviews down there. Kind of a neat site there. This one is gearow.com, GEAROW.com. It's kind of marketed as a tactical store. They are utilizing the icons. They got deals of the day going. Top selling collection. Again, highlighting all the deals and things here. This to me looks more like a gadget store than a tactical store, but let's go look at some of these shoes. Again, a lot of variations, right? We can do different sizes, men's, women's, quantity. Let's see, what do they got? Send a messenger, so you can be notified via Facebook Messenger. They got the guaranteed safe checkout, social sharing, recommended products for upsells and cross-sells. So nice looking site there. Let's close out of that one. That one didn't load. This is clubfitwear.com. This is a print-on-demand dropshipping store using Printful to fulfill the products. Again, highlighting deals. I thought this was kind of clever. They feature a deal of the day with a countdown and showing the percentage off, and it's handy, located right next to the shopping cart button. So when somebody wants to go check out, they're going to have a hard time missing the deal of the day. Let's check out the deal of the day and see what that's like. Choose blank design. Okay, so we got variations of t-shirts. So rather than having to create a listing for each one of these t-shirts, they're able to do a drop down and have the drop down show the specific shirt. That's kind of neat. Secure, again, using these icons and these icons, social sharing, related products to try to get upsells and cross-sells. Kind of a neat site here. We have Bella's Yard, which is an AliExpress jewelry dropshipping site. This is one of the more common ones that we see. This theme is a little bit simpler, but not bad looking. They have it set up to Facebook Messenger. They're highlighting a deal of the day. Personally, I'd probably put that up a little bit higher. We got some social proof here with reviews, featured products, cross-sells. Let's look at a product page, see what they got going on here. So nice, highlighting the percentage off of the deal. Left heart, right heart, or sister's bracelet. So you can either get the left one, the right one that matches the left one, or the combo. Nice product description. This is sold out. Let's see. Sometimes these will have. Now they're not utilizing it, but there is an ability with this conversion theme to let people buy products that are out of stock on back order. Doesn't look like they're utilizing it, but decent little site there. And then this one is uk.oulaladeals.com. OULALADEALS.com. Got a nice banner going there, utilizing the icon. Special offers by categories, featuring their categories. We insure cookies, so they also have that, GDPR, the new European Union, where you got to warn people about cookies. It comes with that setup. We got some social proof here, best-selling products, latest deals, sign up for the email network. Little mini About Us page on the home page, which I kind of like. And let's look at one of their specific product offerings. This is a foot spin. I think this takes all the calluses off your feet. Using the icons, we got reviews highlighted, percentage off. And again, see here they're embedding a YouTube video actually into the product description as well as photos, which is kind of unique. You can't do that with a normal Shopify theme. So again, if you want to try to build this yourself, you can actually get the Shopify conversion theme. I'll link to this at the top of the description box. Again, if you just want to buy the theme, use promo code 20BABY. Again, that's 20-BABY, 20-BABY for $20 off at checkout. And if you're not quite confident that you can build your own store, check these guys out. This is much cheaper than most of you guys are going to be able to find developers off of sites like Fiverr and Upwork. They're actually going to build it on the conversion theme. So even though this is a little bit more expensive, what, $350, you're also getting the conversion theme with 1 year of support, a free year of support renewal. And this comes with a ton of widgets that you would otherwise have to pay for. So things like countdown timers and safe verified checkouts. All those things are things that you would normally have to pay monthly for an app for. That's all included within the build. And again, if you start from scratch, it's $349. If you want them to pick up your current store where you left off and work off your current theme, they'll do that for $399. And I'll also link to where you can get them to help you build your Shopify store in the description box below. I'm also going to include a link in the description box below to where you can get a free 14-day trial of Shopify, so you can try it out. Both these things come with free trials. If you wanted to try this out, these guys give you a 14-day money-back guarantee. So does Shopify, so you can set up the conversion theme on a Shopify store. Give it 2 weeks to see if you're happy with the result, if you get any sales. And if you're not, both Shopify and conversion will give you your money back. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, click that subscribe button down below, and we'll catch you on the next video.